Hello viewers, welcome to windownext.com. In this tutorial, we have to see about how to install Sublime Text Editor on Ubuntu 20.04. Sublime Text Editor is a free and cross-platform source code editor developed based on the Python application programming interface. And then its powerful text editor supports with multiple programming language and a markup language, and its functionality can be extended with the addition of supportive plugins which are community built and maintained under the free software license. It's a popular text editor between the developers. Okay, now let us see how to install Sublime Text Editor on Ubuntu 20.04. Now here first of all we have to add the GPG key on Ubuntu system repository. Run the following command. Then after import the GPG key, we have to add the Sublime PPA in our Ubuntu system repository. Run the following command. Once repository has been added, we have to update the Ubuntu repository. Run the following command. Now update is going on. Then after update the repository, finally we have to install the Sublime Text Editor. Run the following command. Now the installation is going on. Now the Sublime Text Editor installation successfully completed. Then we have to click on the activities. Then here we have to search the Sublime. Now here Sublime Text Editor application show on the screen. Now we have to click on the application. Now here we can able to see the Sublime Text Editor. Now we can able to use this application. Then if you want to check your Sublime Text Editor version, click on the help. Then click on the about Sublime Text. Now here we can able to see the version of Sublime Text Editor 3.2.2. Thus we have seen how to install Sublime Text Editor on Ubuntu 20.04.